Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block we got fried chicken. And with this fried chicken, we're going to be making you an easy smothered chicken and gravy. And all we're going to use today is like a tablespoon of flour. We're going to use like a tablespoon of poultry seasoning. We're going to use a teaspoon of this chicken, what is this called? It's like bouillon, granulated bouillon. And I have some ghee butter, but if you guys got regular butter, use that, okay? And I have right here some balsamic vinegar. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm going to let my skillet heat up. I'm going to take some of this flour, which is like a tablespoon. Oh, that's it right there. I don't know where my whisk at, but hey, we'll make it do what it do. You can put your little ghee butter in it. Like a tablespoon of that. And all we're doing is going to make us like a little roux or something. We're going to brown this up a little bit. Okay. Now we're going to take us some of this bouillon and put like a tablespoon of that in there. Yeah, about that much. Then I'm going to take some of this poultry seasoning. Let me open this up. Tablespoon of that. And stir it up. You see the stuff is turning brown. So now I'm just going to pour the water in there. 2 cups of that. Turn this down to medium. And if you guys want to know how I made that chicken, I have a deep fried chicken recipe. And that's how I did that. Taste that. Alright. We don't want it too much seasoning because my chicken got a lot of seasoning. So my breast is kind of thick. So I'm just going to break this in half. Just like so. Chicken wings, thighs, and the rest of the crumbs. We're going to waste my water. It's okay. So I'm going to need probably like 3 or 4 cups. That. And we just gonna let this simmer for about a good hour. Flip it and stuff, like a half an hour. and I'll show you guys what we be doing then. Show you how it looks when we get back in a minute. Oh, you do want to put a lid on it. Put it on simmer. I'll see you guys in about half an hour or two, or an hour in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the finished product. This is chicken, easy chicken and gravy recipe with some rice and a lemon on the side, just in case you want to zest it up a little bit. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share and comment, and tell all your friends and family to come to VELDOGG's Kitchen and subscribe, so I can teach you guys how to make these affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. See you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.